too much, and my belly, you see,
Bulging.
yeah, it is bulging out.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
After reaching and seeing the condition, what is your feeling now?
I'm feeling so petty, feeling very sad.
So hello everybody, today I'm very excited because the famous blogger of Bodoland, Dr. Alfred Basumatary, is coming to my house. He will be coming to our place to visit and see around our village area and some flood affected areas. Me, brother Cornelius and me, we are going to pick him up. So let's go. So now we have started our journey from our village. This is Anando area, Sautal Dubli. You see. So we are very excited. Denglai.
Hi.
Mabaयदि मोनदों?
गोजोननाय मोनदों। दिनैहाय जोंनि बे गोदोसोनाय जायगायावहाय सासे बर'नि मुंदांखा इउटिउबार जोंखौ लोगो लाफैनायनि थाखाय Thank you, Sir Alfred Basumatary. You are welcome.
And now it is raining. You can see it is raining heavily. We are almost reaching Koilamila. We have to stop for a while.
Consider how heavy it is still raining, but nowhere we will go. Still. Chalo. Manile jeng, okha labe manile.
जो होगा देखा जाएगा।
जो होगा देखा जाएगा. Yes.
अब बारिश का सीजन है ना, बारिश तो आएगा
बारिश का सीजन. Let's go.
Since Sir Alfred is first time in our village area, in our place, so he has called us up to this place called Amguri. So we will be waiting for him. He did not reach. Okay. Yes.
So here is Sir Alfred. Finally he has reached.
Hello, come Sijawa. It is dark now.
How was your journey, sir?
It was hectic.
Yeah. So as a sign of love and welcoming to our place, I'm offering this, our traditional aronai, to Sir Alfred.
Thank you
So
so
welcome,
much.
sir, to our place.
I have no words to express my gratitude. Thank you so much, Swmdwn,
Yes, sir.
for inviting me to your home.
Yes, sir.
Hope we'll have a good journey tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
So now we are moving to our house from Amguri, and the right side, that by you can see that light. That is Sir Alfred. Yeah. Let's go. It is dark now, cannot see anything, but we'll see you there in our house. Okay, go on watching.
Finally, we are in our house. In our poor house in this hut. Sorry.
Not poor. Very rich by heart.
My heart.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
sir will know.
Yes, treated me so well, especially dinner. Wow, it was so yummy. So many varieties of meat, fish, and of course fish chutney. Wow, it was so delicious. Really ate too much, and my belly, you see,
Bulging.
yeah, it is bulging out and cannot stand up only now. Just want to sleep and rest. Thank you so much for the hospitalities. It's not about how rich you are, how wealthy you are, but it's all about how rich you are in your heart and how you are treating your guests. Thank you so much.
So thank you, sir, from my side also. Anyway, I'm really very happy today and excited having him, such a famous and #1 blogger in Bodoland, in my house. I'm really very happy, and I'll be getting chance to make videos with him from tomorrow. So for today I'm ending this one, and I will continue this video tomorrow. So once again, thank you, sir, for coming in our house.
Good night.
Good night,
Have a sweet
everybody.
dream.
Yes. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, good morning. It is raining.
Raining, really, it's raining very non-stop.
Yes, yes.
So anyway, going for making video.
Yes.
Sir Alfred and myself, we are going to visit some flood affected areas in our village.
Yes, yes, yes.
So go on watching. Yes. Let's go, sir.
Yes, yes.
So once again we reached here a place called Betini, Dologaon in Chirang district.
So finally, once again we reached here in Thaklai River, coming with Sir Alfred to blog and see around. So do check out his video also. He is making a video for this after visiting our place. So check it out. Sir, after reaching and seeing the condition, what is your feeling now?
I'm feeling so petty, feeling very sad, especially the people who has lost their land. They have lost their house, and even whatever the properties they have, like the Bodoland garden or maybe the trees in their property.
Yes.
Everything has been eroded. So feeling so bad, cannot help anything. Just trying my best to raise some fund so that I can help something. Something is better than nothing. Please kindly donate so that we can do something for them.
So check out in Sir's channel the new video he is going to upload about this place. If you want to pay little amount, Sir is going to give the link on his video. Yes,
Yeah.
no, sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
check out that video and please check, and your little help will be really a very great help for our affected
Yes.
people in our village.
Yes.
So go on watching, guys. I'll show you more about
Yeah.
this flood. So you can see this part even gone more this side. You see these places. You see there. See the current of this river. This some parts are still getting destroyed again and again, more and more. You see.
And you can see here some protective system works have been started because there are two men from Borgoyary named Swmdwn and Arjun. They have got so much sympathy for our affected people, so they have donated their personal money amount of 2 lakhs for us. So and the work is started here.
They are doing this work now. This kind of protection with this kind of protection. You see. So they will be put there, and it will be a protective system for this area.
And being the inhabitant of this village, I also would like to thank Swmdwn and Arjun for doing such a great job for us.
Right. They are ready. They did not complete, but they are going to complete, I think. So it's already started this side. Such kind of embankment protection system is met. We can see little protection is there. I think when they will complete the work, I think at least it will be a great help for protecting the land and property this side. You see, actually this water was supposed to flow this side, but it is flowing this side. It is going to the left. Left to the village side, you see.
And yes, we are going more and more. There is Sir Alfred.
So now we came little upper side. Little upper side we came and saw even the water is stronger this side. The river is still stronger this side. All this land was, you see, this land was all personal property, personal land. But see, day by day they are eroded, and day by day they are swiped away. It's really a great loss for our local people, this place. You see.
And you can understand the intensity of this river by looking this. And there, that part was bamboo garden actually. And they said all these were personal property.
So we have walked around some parts, some affected area of this place. Then we are, myself I'm tired. I don't know Sir is tired or not.
Not yet.
Not yet, no.
Still I can work little more
Yes.
and to explore little more.
More.
And want to just go and interact with the people.
Yes,
who
yes.
has just who has to shift from this.
Yes. So we are going there now. Sir will interact little bit with that man,
family.
with that family who had to shift their house from here to another place temporarily. Yes.
So here they are, they had to shift their house here, and they are their children, you see. Oh. And these blood sucker leads, no, always they attack me, you see. Oh. Hey, 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 hey.
And you can see this side, this was a yam garden, crops garden. This is also eroded, you can see there, this gone. So it's really a great loss for our local people.
And you can see this side, some people are filled with sadness because they have lost their land, properties, you see. And to the lower side also you can see this condition. Some arecanut garden is already gone and some have lost their crops gardens also. So if you want to extend your helping hand to these affected people, you can do that from the Alfred Basumatary YouTube channel. So do that. That will be really a great help for these people. See the force of this river. See how it is flowing. Really is terrific. Really, yes. What to do? What to do? No, we cannot stop these natural calamities. Really. See.
So we have visited the place affected area by the Taklai River, and we are moving away from this. Sar has also taken sufficient footage, I hope, from this area.
Yes, I have taken enough footage and got to know so many things. This is not a new thing for these localities.
Yes.
Every year they have been affected by these floods and also erosion. Erosion is the main problem of this area. I think government must take some steps in order to protect from the erosions. Every year, little by little, it has been eroding. Now it has reached up to this place. Now maybe next year it might reach even another 100 meters or maybe 1 kilometer, whoever knows.
So that was the river Taklai, and the place is Betini, Dologaon, under the constituency of Nisima.
And I am very much thankful to Swmdwn Borgoyary for his hospitality. He has invited me and hosted in his house and taken me around this place. This is totally unknown place for me, and in future I'll be coming back to this place and I'll be traveling again together with Swmdwn Borgoyary. I'll try to show as many as I can about these regions and also the Bhutan borders in my next trip. I'll have to go back today and hope I'll come back very soon.
So thank you everyone for watching this video till the end, and continue supporting me and Sir Alfred Basumatary, and see you in next video. Bye bye.
Peace.
Peace.